In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Behance portfolio effectively. This is a wonderful way to display your work professionally, making sure your designs are accessible and appealing to your audience. Now let's jump right into it. First off, we'll need to convert each page of your PDF into a high-quality image file, preferably in JPG or PNG format. You see, while PDFs are great for maintaining layout integrity, Behance showcases image files more seamlessly. This is a crucial step since Behance is optimized for image formats, and converting your PDF pages to images ensures your project is displayed to its full potential. Make sure your images are under 10 MB each and can be up to 2800 pixels wide, which provides a crisp viewing experience. Once you've converted your PDF pages into image files, it's time to create a new project on Behance. Head over to the platform and look for the Share Your Work option. From the drop-down menu, select Project. This is where you'll start compiling your images into a coherent project that reflects the quality of your work. Begin by entering a title for your project, choosing a cover image, and filling out any other details you feel are necessary. These elements serve as the first impression to your viewers, so choose wisely. A catchy title paired with a visually captivating cover image can draw more attention to your project. In the project editor, focus your attention on the right-hand side, where you'll find the Add Content panel. This is the area where you'll upload your converted image files. Drag and drop or select your images, and they'll appear on your project workspace. Now, this is your playground. Arrange the images in a way that tells a story or best presents the work you're showcasing. You have the freedom to edit and adjust as you see fit, so take the time to refine your project layout to ensure each page flows smoothly into the next. Once you're satisfied with how your project looks, it's time to publish it. This final step is simple. Just continue and publish your project. At this point, your work will be live on Behance, ready for viewers to explore and appreciate. Publishing your project not only enhances your portfolio, but also expands your reach within the creative community. You might wonder why you're converting PDF pages to image files for Behance in the first place. Well, the main reason is the seamless display you can achieve. By uploading JPG or PNG images, you're leveraging Behance's display capabilities to their fullest, ensuring your work is presented crisply and clearly. And there you have it. Adding a PDF to Behance using this method ensures your work is shown in the best possible light, attracting the attention it deserves. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to enhancing your portfolio on Behance. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating.